So hi, welcome back. Still in isolation, but we do have Simon today from SPF Detailing, a local detailer here in West Yorkshire, coming to give the Cayenne a full body buff today. Something I've always wanted doing on the vehicle. The car's 2.5 years old now. It's had some slight abuse just from near side on the bushes when the missus has been driving it over the moors, but I'm hoping it'll bring it back to life. I actually noticed also on a couple of things on the car where people just cut it slightly in car parks, which is a bit annoying. So hopefully we'll get it looking like glass and see Simon shortly. Detailing is now finished on the Cayenne. Full body buff. Cannot describe to you how good it looks. Literally like glass, better than the factory finish that we initially had. The car is only 2.5 years old and it just looks tremendous. All the light scratches are out of it, even some slightly deeper ones, but the entire bodywork just looks absolutely brilliant.